Hi everybody, thanks for taking the time to look into my garden and see what I'm doing. My name's Allie. I'm in Florida, zone 10, very tropical environment. And today I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to fill this bed up here, top it off with a little bit of fresh compost to help feed the new plants we put in. And then later on this evening I'll come back out and I'll mulch it. This time of day I do maybe 15-minute projects and I take a break. Well, got a piece of grass coming in here. We'll go ahead and get that out. And the other little things that I don't want to have growing, grab those out. Well, I'll go ahead and move that. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull this one okra plant. It is not happy. It hasn't done well. It's going to say goodbye. Well, I can't even make it over the fence. There we go. All right. Now I'm just going to spread this out. Crumple it up. Yes, I'm wearing gloves. Oh, we got this one little bean I knocked over pulling grass. I'll go ahead and pick him up. All right, that's halfway done already. We'll probably end up using the whole bag, but I put it up there just in case. And I'm just making it like, probably 2.5 inches thick all the way around. These little noir to carmes melons are going to love it. Yep, we're going to go ahead and throw the rest of the bag in. No, maybe not. That looks good. All right. So we've got a thick layer of compost on there. That's going to help to nourish the plants in. I already put down some organic plant food crumbles. So they're going to have plenty of food to get them through this growing season. And I'm just going to let you guys take a closer look real quick. These are the Cherokee Trail of Tears black bean. This is a little sweet potato. I think it's a purple sweet potato. Can't remember. This is a tomato I need to actually just go ahead and pluck out. Oh, looks like we got some little mushroom mold going down in there. That's awesome. And then this is our soybean. And you can see we've got these cutest little furry pods on here. Absolutely adorable. And then our noir to carmes melons. And a little Thai basil over here. I don't cut the flowers off because the pollinators absolutely adore them. The bees are just in love with all the different basil flowers, so I don't really pick those off. I just grow more basil and use it young and then let it flower. But that's what we did here. I will come back out later and mulch it in, but that's about my big project between setting it up and doing that for this hour. I'll probably come back out in a couple hours, do another 10 or 15 minutes. And this is over here in the corner, the okras, our big blue pumpkins with some marigolds hidden in there. Everything's looking happy this morning. But thanks for you watching along, and I appreciate it. Leave a comment of any projects or tasks you want to see me do here on little 5-minute videos or during my live streams. Because I do this, to help share gardening. So if you want anything in particular, let me know. And have a great afternoon.